Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can verify a list of email addresses like this one and get the informations if an email is valid or not, which is actually a good practice if you want to protect the deliverability of your own email addresses. So the first step to verify your email addresses is to create a free account on GiveMeLeads. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads, you just need to click the first link in the description, or you can go on givemeleads.io. Then you click on start for free and you create your free account. Then once you are connected, click here on verify contacts. And here you can upload a CSV file or an Excel file. So for example, I have a list here of emails I want to verify. And now I want to upload this list of emails. So it's this one, contact emails. You see that it's an Excel file. And then we click on open. Then here for email address, make sure that you have emails here. And finally, we can click on verify. And now you see here that the verification is done. So let's click here on download CSV. So here is my file. So I have email addresses verified. So it means that it's completely safe to send a cold email. You have invalid. So it means that it's not the good email address. And you have probable here. And here it's basically a catch-all emails. So with an email like this one, we are not 100% sure that the email is working. So when you want to send a cold email to a catch-all email address, I strongly recommend you to send this cold email from a domain only used for prospecting. So if you want to verify email addresses in bulk, you can try for free GiveMeLeads. And so for that, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see how to find emails in bulk from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've made a complete video on that. So if you want to see this video, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.